Meaning of exoglossic.
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 Exoglossic. The term exoglossic refers to languages that are spoken outside of a particular community or region. These languages may be used in trade, education, or other types of interactions with individuals from different linguistic backgrounds. The use of exoglossic languages can facilitate communication and cultural exchange between diverse groups of people. At the same time, however, the dominance of exoglossic languages can also contribute to the erosion of local languages and cultures. As such, the use of exoglossic languages is a complex and often contentious issue in many parts of the world.